Have you ever wondered whether the Selene Dog Fountain is actually improving your dog's health or if it's simply another cleverly marketed pet product with big promises? The Selene Dog Fountain claims to encourage better hydration, support higher energy levels, improve overall health, and keep dogs happier by providing a continuous flow of fresh, filtered water. While the idea behind a pet fountain is certainly practical, the marketing surrounding this product deserves a closer look before making a purchase. One thing that stands out is the way the brand presents hydration as a solution for multiple health concerns. Yet there is little publicly available scientific evidence showing that this specific fountain delivers unique health benefits beyond what many standard pet fountains already provide. Some promotional material relies on internal company claims instead of independent research, making it difficult to verify the advertised results. Another concern is the customer feedback. While positive reviews are prominently displayed, some buyers have reported issues involving delayed shipping, difficulty obtaining refunds, and slow customer support responses. There are also questions about the authenticity of certain promotional images, with some appearing heavily edited or AI-generated rather than showing real customer experiences. Pricing is another factor worth considering because very similar, stainless steel or plastic pet fountains with comparable designs and features can be found on major online marketplaces, including Alibaba and Temu, often at significantly lower prices. This has led many shoppers to question whether the premium price reflects superior quality or simply a different marketing strategy. That doesn't automatically mean the Selene Dog Fountain is ineffective, since many dogs may still benefit from drinking more water through any well-designed fountain. However, based on the available information, the biggest selling points seem to come from branding and emotional advertising rather than independently verified advantages. If you're considering buying it, compare the materials, filter system, warranty, customer service, and price with similar alternatives before deciding. A careful comparison can help you determine whether you're paying for genuine value or simply paying extra for marketing.